Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty box to share with you from Next, and it's the birthday beauty box. It costs £20 and it contains 7 beauty products and it has a value of £80. If you're interested in this box for yourself or any of the other beauty boxes Next currently have on their website, and they have got quite a few new ones as well, then as always you'll find all the details down below in my description, as well as all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So yeah, what I love about these boxes is that obviously they're aimed at gifting. Perfect beauty present to gift to someone. Unless you're like me, you buy it for yourself, then that's fine as well. But on the back here, it's got to and from, and usually there's a little leaflet inside as well. Very simple thing to add, but I just think it's really cute. So it comes in a box like this. Sometimes they have a little booklet inside their beauty boxes, but not in this one. But here's a little sneak peek. Okay. Starting off with Bath & Body Works. This is 1000 Wishes Fine Fragrance Mist. And there's 75 mils here. Now I've smelt this before. I think this was in their Advent calendar. Or I might have received it in one of their other beauty boxes. Because Next bring out beauty boxes regularly, they must have, what, 15 or more on their website. So you will see a lot of repeat products. So I might have received this in another box. But yeah, it smells really nice. It's just nice and fruity. It doesn't say anything about it. Just a fine fragrance mist. 1000 Wishes. But yeah. It smells of strawberries. So there's that. And then we got something for the house. We got a room spray, and this is beautiful. This is by Rituals. Ritual of Sakura, rice milk and cherry blossom, and there's 50 mils here. I adore this smell. Absolutely adore it. I've already got one of these downstairs, so I'll leave this upstairs. My husband's going to come into this room at night, be like, what the heck? I've just unboxed a perfume box as well, so there's lots of smells going around. But no, I can smell this. This is just so nice. So nice. So yeah, I'll keep this for upstairs. We've got the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm, and there's 20 grams here. It's a gorgeous cleansing balm. Has a rosy smell, which I'm not keen on, but it doesn't put me off. I've used this numerous times and I do really like it. It's a nice little travel size as well. I love ELEMIS cleansers. The cleansing balms are... they're amazing. Next, we've got Sanctuary Spa Melting Pearls Body Butter. 7-day moisture. Argan oil pearls. There's 75 mils there. It smells amazing. I've just got some orange blobs. They won't melt. Why won't they melt? What are the orange blobs in there? Can you see them? They won't melt when I'm pressing them in. You know, sometimes you get like little beads, but they won't. I don't know what they are. My arm feels really nice though. And my hand feels really nice and it smells nice. I can't see any more of the orange blobs in there. We've got a Peptide Moisturiser by the INKEY List. Best for dry skin. Helps to hydrate and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And there's 50 mils here. A rich daily moisturiser containing 2 peptides. Peptides are chains of amino acids which support proteins naturally found in the skin, helping to delay the signs of skin aging. It can be used AM or PM, or both. Got moisturiser. We got a little bath oil. This is from Aromatherapy Associates, and this is Revive Morning. It's a bath and shower oil, and there is 9 mils there. Oh, I've had this numerous times as well. It's really nice. Oh, it smells so nice, so nice. I put them in foot baths. I don't have a bath and I don't like using shower oils in the shower because it's just dangerous. I always slip around. I don't like shower oils in the shower. We've got bath and shower oil. We've got Clarins. This is 21 Lip Perfector with shea butter. There's 5 mils here. I've already got one of these. Any lip protecting creams, lip balms, etc. Then I've started, only in the last 6 months or so, I've started putting them all in like a little box because my children always come to me, have you got anything for lips? My lips are dry. So even though I got one, I won't be passing it on. It'll go into my little lip balm box for the family. And then lastly, we've got Iconic London. This is a eyeshadow palette. And has it got a name? It's Bronze and Smoky. So you've got Mirror. And those are the shades. I've received this one before because I unboxed quite a few Next beauty boxes. It's been in previous boxes. You can see the pigment is great. It's a really nice little palette there. with nice shades. You've got 2 mattes and 2 shimmery ones. And that is it. Those are all the products in the new birthday edit from NYX. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got Bath & Body Works, 1000 Wishes body spray. We've got Ritual of Sakura Home Perfume by Rituals. We've got ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Sanctuary Spa Melting Pearls Body Butter. I've just clicked. They're melting pearls. Those orange blobs are melting pearls, but they weren't melting on me. Maybe if I left them on my skin long enough they would, I don't know. But yeah. Oh, apologies about that. I just was slow there. Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Clarins 21 Lip Perfector. The INKEY List Peptide Moisturiser. And lastly, Bronze and Smoky QUAD Eyeshadow Palette by Iconic London. The cost of the box is £20 and it has a value of £80. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Please comment down below. I'd love to hear. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.